Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server that allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called JoinLeaveMessages. This plugin adds a GUI-based join and leave message to your Minecraft server. Starting out, make sure you install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. And after installing the plugin, restart and head into your server. After joining your server, I will now go over the commands for this plugin. The first command opens the join and leave GUI. To open this, type the command /joinLeaveConfig or /JLConfig. Here's where you can configure the join title, the join subtitle, join sound, join and leave messages, the plugin's status, and you can even reload the config. To change one of these options, just click on the specified icon and it will pull up directions on how to change it. So for example, I want to change the join title, so I will click on the icon. Now it says to use the command /JLM set title and then whatever you want the join title to be. And then underneath, it says that you can use the placeholder player_name for the user's name. So I'll set it to welcome and then the player placeholder. After setting it, go back to the config and click on reload config. Then, if you leave the game and join back, it should be updated. And then the same thing goes for the other configurations. And that's it for this useful plugin. If you have any more questions or want to check out this plugin page, I will leave the plugin page link in the description. That is how you can incorporate the JoinLeaveMessages plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.